We are talking about a situation tonight involving surgery, and it, of course, is the law and you here on Eyewitness News. Joining us tonight, as always, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks for being here tonight.
We're going to have a hot summer.
We do think a little bit hotter than average. Maybe not as hot as last year, but still, you know, it's warmed up, you finally saw in the last week or so.
I know.
I think we've all been waiting for it.
Oh, yeah.
We're all waiting for this
My
question.
kids want me to open the pool.
You got to get it done. It's almost June. It's tomorrow.
Come on, Ed.
Here's our question tonight. This one involves an issue involving surgery here. Tony in Lehighton wants to know, I recently had surgery on my foot and I was experiencing pain in my leg post-surgery. I went to the doctor a few times and he seemed just to blow me off. It got so bad one weekend that I went to the ER, they did an x-ray, and apparently they left a scalpel in my leg. Do I have a case? How does Tony in Lehighton proceed here?
Tony, you do have a case. and as crazy as this sounds, we've had cases where scissors have been left in people, sponges have been left in people. It happens. There's supposed to be a count of the instruments whenever somebody's doing this type of procedure or any type of procedure, the instruments, the sponges, etc. And you know, you have a count going in, and then usually what happens is the count is not done at the end. They close up an individual with scissors or a scalpel or a sponge or whatever it may be. You are going to, you know, ultimately have to have surgery to remove that. So you do have a case. It's going to come down to an issue of what your damages are. You know, a lot of times, if the scalpel is removed, it hasn't done any permanent damage. Sounds like you're having some prolonged pain though, so there may be some issues there. But again, it's a case that, even though it sounds pretty straightforward, you're still going to need to get your documents, get that film showing the scalpel, and then get yourself to a lawyer.
I don't have much to add. Ed's right on the money. Get your records, get your films, call a lawyer.
All right, it's a quick one tonight. If you have a legal situation that you need an answer for, these guys will get you a quick, concise answer. How can our viewers reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Or go to Facebook. If you have a medical negligence, if you think you have a medical negligence case or a question, put it on our Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat it to us. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, have a good night.
Take care, Dave.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.